Well, when I came to Dakota State, I was finding out a lot about what was going on, and I was told by several people, you need to plan your inauguration. And I wasn't really sure we were in a situation where we needed to have that kind of celebration at that time. I followed two short-term presidents, and I just thought that's not really the right thing. But I said, maybe I'll have a non-inauguration. And so I formed a committee, people on campus and in the community, and we met, I think, monthly for a while. And I became interested in the fact that some universities had a day of service.
It's a benefit to the students from the standpoint of giving and learning how and what they can do, you know. And it's also beneficial for the citizens of Madison in that, because, you know, they can sign up and say, you know, these are some things that I can't do myself, and the students will come and assist, whether it's raking leaves, cleaning, you know, tree debris, sweeping sidewalks, whatever the case may be.
When we get our students going out to the community to buy things for people in need and then giving it for people in need in the area, and they benefit for that, I mean, everybody wins in this. So it is such a great way to serve. And I'm so proud of our students for just diving in year after year to meet those needs.
I think any type of volunteerism or service or helping others enhances not only the student, but the view of the student and the view of the university within that community. I would say it's unique in South Dakota. I think it's a very valuable resource that the university provides.
Community of Madison loves you, and they love you because of what you do, not only academically, athletically, but what you give back to them. If you treat them, you know, with respect, the community with respect, and you do the things that you continue to do, they will love you. They will love your sport. They will follow you. It goes right back to the school and saying, yeah, do you see that? Did you see that crew out there working, helping, doing this, doing that? So I think it's a huge reflection on our student athletes and what they do to give back to the community that gives so much to them.
And then it also instills in the students that in your free time, whether now or in your future, there are opportunities to help others who may not be able to help themselves, you know, and it's both beneficial to both.
I think that giving back in whatever way, shape, or form, whether that's your time, treasure, or talents, is so important to the viability of a community. When someone or some organization needs help, people step up, and that is the great thing about the community that I see.
Students getting out in the community, they're meeting people, they're meeting, people who live here, they're meeting the people in the businesses. Businesses are able to connect with students at DSU as well. I mean, it's a two-way street.
I thought it would be a good event. It would tie Madison and DSU closer together. It would give the students a purpose. And it would be a sort of a feel-good kind of event. And so that's what we emerged with, was instead of a formal inauguration with lots of people, it's sort of like a graduation almost, lots of people, academic gowns, etc. I just thought this would be a better situation.